holidays are fast approaching and hindi to pwede kung wala itong dish na to. We are making something that is very important to us Filipinos, familiar and well-loved by the family. But we are making a bit more special than the usual because we are adding a secret ingredient. We are adding Arla cheese to our recipe. We are making lumpia Shanghai with a special twist, cheesy lumpia Shanghai. You can use your favorite Shanghai recipe. Marami tayo dyan. But the only thing we are adding is our Arla cheese. Paborito to ng mga kids, yung ating Arla Tex-Mex because it melts and it's very tasty. And we are opening up our Tex-Mex. Ang bango. And look at that. This is a mix of different kinds of cheese which gives you the right flavor and consistency. Not only is it stretchy, it's also very flavorful. Rich flavor of cheese plus a bit of spice. So it works well for your pizza, even your baked pastas. And now, we will make it for our lumpia Shanghai. Crazy, di ba? We have our lumpia wrappers. And look at that. It's a perfect mix of cheese. Hindi ka na mahirapan mag-grate kasi this is really perfectly flavored to suit what you like. And I will start just a spoonful of our lumpia Shanghai mix. And we will just spread it. And we will add our Arla Tex-Mex cheese. Another idea to use your cheese is to wrap it with turon. Imagine, cheesy turon, di ba ang sarap din? And we will just wrap our lumpia very nicely. So this is just a mixture of flour and water which we'll use as our paste, no? Pangdikit natin. Napaka-simple lang. Roll, roll, roll. Tuck mo na lang siya dyan, oh. Di ba? Tapos, wala nang folding. And it's very important to preheat your oil. So ito, very versatile, very convenient to use. At saka maganda dito kasi sa Arla is they have a lot of different kinds of cheese that you can choose from. So depende sa trip mo, you can use that. Pero ako, I like this kasi it's already very flavorful and it's a perfect mix. I don't have to combine anything. Actually, ito yung lumpia Shanghai. Ito yung one of the first recipes I learned to cook as a kid. And sa bahay talaga, we would just make this ahead of time and freeze and just fry whenever we needed. So we are done. And ito talaga why I like Arla. Because Arla is what you would call real cheese. Pag real cheese, gawa sa milk and dairy. Kaya mas masarap siya at maganda yung melting quality. Kaya it's very versatile. Ginagawa ko siyang topping, to bake, to gratinate, and even to make sauces. Very perfect siya. Pero now, while waiting for our oil to heat up, naka-ready na yung aking lumpia Shanghai. And it's important that our oil is hot but not too hot, no? So, ang gusto natin, hinay-hinay na maluto yung ating lumpia Shanghai from the outside. We'll cook the inside and it will crisp up the outside, no? Hindi magiging hilaw yung ating loob kasi sobrang mainit. When you put your lumpia Shanghai, remember to move it away from you, no? Ganun palayo sa'yo. Your oil dapat deep fry para even yung cooking. Ang key para maging maganda yung luto ng ating lumpia Shanghai is to keep moving it around so it cooks evenly, even yung kulay. And ito, level up yung ating lumpia Shanghai dahil made cheesy. Ang ganda, oh. Look at that, no? So, ating heat, no? Medium heat lang siya. We are almost done. Ma-achieve na natin yung perfect golden color ng ating Shanghai. At luto na. Papansin mo, lumulutang na ng konti yung ating lumpia. And very important, when you are cooling down your lumpia, it is aerated. Ibig sabihin, nakakasingaw yung steam. Kasi pag hindi nakasingaw yung steam, it's going to moisten your wrapper at mawawala yung kanyang crispiness. Para malaman natin na masarap, dapat tikman. Ang tawag dito ay quality control. Kasi pag walang quality control, magpapakain tayo na hindi masarap. Dapat sure tayo. And ito, let's see if successful yung ating ginawang cheesy lumpiang Shanghai. Ay! Aray ko. Look at that. Look at that. It's perfect. Mabango, malutong, masarap. Mapapakain ka talaga ng ating cheesy lumpia Shanghai. So you can use whatever dip of choice mo. Today, gagamit ako ng ketchup. Perfect. Lumpia tower. And titikman ko for the perfect bite. Oh! Yeah, cheese, no? Oh my God. Ganun lang kadali. With just one ingredient na transform yung ating favorite na lumpia Shanghai to something to a higher level. Dapat subukan nito sa bahay. And this is our recipe. Cheesy lumpia Shanghai. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.